Here we are. It is September what the fuck, and I remember I was having a nice lunch with Dom early August. He's like, dude, end of the month I'm gonna have 1 million subs. Dude,
is that how I sound? Is that how I sound?
End of the month I'm gonna have 1 million subs, I swear. And it's like almost October. It's gonna be Christmas, and he's still gonna have like 995. I've seen the comments, and I just want to respond as to why I was so red.
No, yeah. Let me pop up that. Let me pop up that comment right now. Why were you so red that day? That's the ultimate question.
There was a lot of factors. I mean, first you need to put into account that the solar eclipse was that day. So there was a lot of things that were happening that were out of human control, and my face color was one of them.
Wait, did you look up at the sun? Is that why you were really red?
I think so. I think I was out in the sun maybe a little longer than I should have been. I had somewhat of a limited alcohol intake, which does sometimes make me perspirate, and when I sweat, I turn red. And thirdly, there was just a lot of lights. And I felt like a lot of people were looking at me, even though it was just the camera.
So
it makes me kind of nervous.
It's not true you're half tomato, half human.
I'm waiting for the results on the research. Yes, I did a DNA test. Got some DNA from my mother and some DNA from a bottle of Heinz ketchup. And we're gonna see if those match to make a J-bone. What's going on?
Well, there you go. That answers the ultimate question. Why is Justin so red?
Want to handcuff me?
That seems really easy for some reason. I think it's because you're so short.
Dude, handcuff me. Let me try to put these behind my back. Like I'm kind of like Houdini. Whoa. Okay, now I'm kind of stuck.
Oh, that's a tough one. Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Oh.
You have to lay on your butt. Kind of face plant.
Face plant.
Face plant on the black couch.
Together. I'm not flexible. Okay. Are you stuck? You have the right to remain silent. This is what it feels to be like a cop.
Kind of sexy. Tickle him.
No! Okay, Dom!
Undo it.
Okay, give me the key.
Don't do it, Dom. Stop.
Stop it.
Take some away. You did not do that.
I actually did it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
What'd you throw? Dom?
The key!
Undo it! I'll beat you up! You really threw it?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah.
No, you didn't. Come on.
Did you hear it?
You did not do that. Do it.
How did you get to the roof?
Undo it.
How did you get to the roof?
Who do you think?
Who do you
Undo the fucking cops!
What are you doing?
Where's the fucking key? Dom.
Dude, why do you smell?
Where's it? Because I just farted.
Oh my, that was like old Burger King.
Where's the fucking key at?
I don't have it.
You actually threw the fucking key?
Yes.
Are you fucking stupid? What the fuck is your problem? You fucking moron! You're not that dumb.
I will go get the key.
Why would you throw it? You couldn't fake it with a quarter?
No, I don't have a quarter.
I'm gonna bite your fucking off. Where's the fucking key?
Okay, get off me. I'm gonna get it.
Where is it?
I'm gonna get it.
Where is it?
It's somewhere.
In your
let me get
fucking
it.
pocket?
No, let me get it.
Where in the
Let me
kitchen,
go
Dom?
get it. Let me go get it.
No.
By the table.
Where
let me
is
go get it. Let me go get it. Stop.
Where is it? Where's the key at?
I'm gonna go on the roof and go get it.
It's on the roof.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's actually on the roof. Dead ass.
Dead ass.
Wait, why don't you have me check the freezer? Is it in the freezer?
No, I just wanted you to cool off.
Where the fuck is it? Why would you throw it on there?
Is that supposed to be you?
Yeah, it's me.
You look better than that.
Fucking.
Tom, is it actually on the roof?
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Okay, no, it's not. Just don't believe me.
You have the key?
I don't have it.
Do you have any texts?
What the fuck's going on?
Check your text.
What? I can't.
I love you, Dom.
Go put that in. You better cut it out. Fucking worthless.
Where did you find that attitude recently?
Yeah, where'd the Jersey
Ever
accent
since
go?
you were on that hour-long phone call, you've been a real dick.
I'm trying to make $1 million fucking bucks, yo.
What did they say?
I said that I'll never make it, okay?
Give up.
You see my fucking YouTube channel?
Yeah.
No views. I had Jay shoot some beautiful drone shots and I edited together a beautiful montage. For what?
For what?
For what? $7? $7 fucking dollars?
Yeah, it's almost a foot long. That's like a.
It's
that's
not
like
even
a. It's like a BLT. It's not like a steak and cheese foot long.
All right, let's see how freaky you are. We'll put those on.
I want everybody to come.
I love a good Cartier bracelet. Oh,
You don't want to
shit.
put them on? Do they need to be fuzzy?
Yeah, honestly, yeah.
Okay.
You can just simply this.
Let me see. No, let me see. Really? Okay.
You know, Dom, I never know when to stop filming. Still filming.
And then where's the key?
I don't like being constricted.
Neither do
It makes
I.
me feel really weird.
This is how you actually do it, Dom.
What are you doing?
Huh? Easy with them now. No, no,
Oh, Dom.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
That's how it actually works.
You're still in your head. Is this the thumbnail?
I don't know what it is.
How'd you do that so quick?
I literally just threw it over.
You didn't. What the fuck? No, you
Hey, there's
didn't.
little kids over there next door.
What this freak?
Cute.
I really think you threw it over. Oh!
How'd you do that?
Oh, you fine, you magician! This is bullshit. Have you ever been in handcuffs before?
Well, this is bad.
You just gotta twist them off, dude. What do you mean?
They're not fucking twisties. They're fucking real handcuffs. If you ruin my date with Tana, I'm gonna be fucking bullshit.
Well, maybe I did you a favor.
Find the fucking key and unlock me, or I'm gonna fucking rain fucking hell on your life.